Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, welcome to Tuesday, August 25th. Yes, I'm back again. Unfortunately, and our hearts and prayers go out to Dave Onstead, his family, and the loss of his dear wife Gladys. So I'm here coming to you again today from my vacationing out here in St. Augustine. Hey, but I think he'll be back tomorrow. So with that being said, we do got some really uh, news day today when it comes to the Dow. So hang tight, and when we get ready to talk with Scotty today, we'll talk about that and how that might impact the markets not only today but going forward. So again, thanks for joining us today. Hang tight, and we will get started here in the next second.
0.7 by the talented gal. That's Tracy Chapman, and give me one reason. Okay, it's 8:39. Phillip's on the line. Let's head to Statler Financial Services and see what's up today. Hey, Phillip, how you doing?
Hey, good morning, Scott. Hey, doing well. Enjoying a little sunrise here at the beach this morning. Our thoughts and prayers go out to Dave and his family for today.
Yeah, I know. I appreciate that so much, Phillip. We really do. I forgot you're doing the beach thing today, right?
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Vacation, a couple days here and there.
Yeah, you deserve it. You're a hard-working guy.
So, hey, but the markets yesterday were kind of a little out there, going crazy, still making some new highs on a couple of the indexes. We had the S&P 500 yesterday close up 1%, over $3,400 to $3,431. Crazy what that number's gotten to. And we had the NASDAQ up about 0.6. It closed yesterday at 11,380. The Dow Jones up 1.35% to 28,308. So a big day on all the indexes yesterday. Big news today, though. Reading an article, some changes coming in the Dow 30. This happens periodically when there's some changes in the stocks and how well different indexes are doing. They try to keep a certain industry-wide selection in there. And with Apple, and remember, folks, that the Dow 30 is a price-weighted index. So the higher price stock you are, the more weight you have in that index. And so Apple is part of the Dow 30. And remember, they just announced that at the end of this month, they're going to split 4-for-1. So now their $500 stock, $500+ stock is going to be, worth 125, 130 when they make that split. So what does that mean? Well, it means that the percentage of technology is going to drop. And so the Dow wants that technology percentage to be back up closer to the 27% it is right now when it price weights. So as of August 31st, they're adding and replacing some stocks. So they're adding Salesforce, Amgen, and Honeywell, and they're taking out ExxonMobil, Amgen, and taking out ExxonMobil, Pfizer, and Raytheon Technology. And so that's not going to get the technology percentage quite up to where it was, Scott, but it's going to get it up to from 20% after the change to about 23%, not quite up to the 27% it is right now. So, but that's causing obviously those three stocks, Salesforce, Amgen, and Honeywell, to get a little bit of a bounce this morning on the futures market. So that's a big change coming into this month that takes effect on the Dow. So we'll have to see how that changes things there going forward.
Okay.
So
good.
We don't have much economic news. We do, but that hasn't come out yet. We have some home sales coming out and consumer confidence numbers coming out this morning. Sometime, haven't seen them yet. But we do have a few earnings. We have, let me see if I can get to the right thing here. We've got Hormel, Medtronics, Best Buy, and Smuckers all announced earnings. Hormel the producers of Spam and other meat products, they beat by about 3 cents a share. During this time, they've done pretty well in terms of markets. They are trading down a little bit this morning. I'm not sure exactly why. I didn't see anything in the report that indicated any indication of why that's giving back a little bit, but down about 0.6% this morning. We look at Medtronics, which is a medical device maker. They really had a good quarter. They were expected to only make about 18 cents a share. They made 62 cents a share.
Wow.
Yep, and their profits were above forecast. Revenue came in above forecast as well. They are trading up today about 3.3%. We got Smuckers, which is kind of a staple, right? You can't have peanut butter and jelly without some Smuckers
Right.
jelly, right? So,
My favorite.
they strawberry jam. You can't do without that. But they really had a good quarter too. They came in and earned $2.37 a share compared to $1.67 that was expected. They also, this is kind of unusual, they raised their full year guidance, which is something we don't see very often right now during this pandemic. They're trading up a little over 4.5% this morning. And then probably the big news when it comes to especially retail is Best Buy. Best Buy, they earned $1.71 a share compared to the $1.08 they were expected. Revenue came in above forecast as well. Their same store sales were up 5.8%, which is almost double the 2.3 expected. They were able to make some shifts also to more online sales, which helped them significantly. And Best Buy, not getting much help from that today. Of course, they were up almost 3% yesterday, Scott. They're giving back that 3% today, down 2.9%. So they're actually losing everything they gained yesterday at this point in time. But that's kind of where we are on the earnings front today.
Right. Hey, I was going to ask you, Phillip, it's with all that's going on, and I don't understand a lot of this stuff, but it seems like the markets are doing are you surprised that the indexes and whatnot are doing as well as they are under the circumstances?
Yeah, I really am, Scotty. I didn't expect them to bounce back quite this fast, and I didn't expect them to continue on. And honestly, I'm not sure why. Because we're just still, the travel industry, the entertainment industry are still suffering.
Right.
Retail, if you look at retail this year compared to last year, if they're making money, they're not making near as much. So why is their stock trading higher today than what it was a year ago?
Right.
Those things are just are just don't make sense a lot of times. And so one thing that we have to look at too is interest rates. So a lot of times, folks have to make money on their money.
Right.
And so if interest rates are basically next to zero, they've got to do something. And so it's causing them to take more risk. And then you have the fear of missing out, right? People get excited because the markets are going gangbusters and they're afraid, well, geez, I'm missing out. So they jump in typically at the wrong time as individual investors and they get out at the wrong time. And so I think a lot of it right now is being driven by emotions and not by fact patterns and not by analytics. That's my opinion anyway.
Yep. Well, we value your opinion, Phillip. That's why folks need to be careful and need to get with you, right? It's important.
Absolutely. So let's look at what the indexes are doing right now, Scotty. They are, for the most part, just continuing to go up. We got the Dow right now up 0.5% to 28,387. We got the S&P 500 futures up about 1/3%. And then we've got the NASDAQ actually giving back just a tad. I mean, not much at all. It's down about 0.1% right now, which is about $13. So not much at all. as we look at that. But if we look at the commodity side, Scotty, we're seeing some declines there in gold and silver. Gold's down 0.5%. Silver's down 0.25%. Crude oil's gotten a little bit of a boost from where it was yesterday. It's up about 0.75% to $42.95 a barrel, getting close to that $43 mark.
Okay.
All
right. Good stuff.
So
What
good things happening there. And
right.
Hey, I know I'm out of the office, but it's a great time still to get on my calendar when I get back for a financial x-ray. Give us a call at 863-382-0037 to do that. Hey, follow us online at statlerfinancial.com. On Facebook, you can catch up with us there, Statler Financial Services, and then join us this weekend for the Statler Financial Radio Show, 6 a.m. and noon on Saturdays, 10 a.m. Sunday mornings on Highlands News Talk 730.
All right. Well, thank you, Phillip. All the best to you and your family, okay?
All right, man. Talk to you. Well, maybe not. Dave said he'll probably be back tomorrow. But if I'm needed, I'm here. Scotty, just reach out to me, buddy.
All right. I appreciate that. Take care, Phillip, at
All
Statler
right,
Financial Services. Wait.
Hey, folks, remember, even though I'm on vacation, the office is open. If you need anything, if you need to get on my schedule, which a lot of folks need to get on my schedule, given that we've hit all-time highs again across the markets, it's a great time to make sure that you're reallocated properly between safety and risk in your portfolio. And if you don't know what that diversification looks like, you need to have our financial x-ray process on your portfolio. Give us a call. Get on my calendar, 863-382-0037. Hey, have a great day. I'm hoping I won't be back out here tomorrow, but like I said, if the guys at the radio station need me, I am here and I will be there even though I'm on vacation. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing y'all real soon. Bye now.